Alright guys, panibagong video, panibagong araw na naman tayo. Ngayong araw ay pupunta tayo dito sa may Galion. Andito ngayon sa Isle of Man. Dito tayo sa may Galion, Andalusia. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan siya guys. Papasok tayo dyan mamaya. Mga 6:30 pa ang opening. Galing pala ito ng Spain. Ayan, pumunta lang dito. Puro made of wood. Made of wood siya. Ayan. Ito yung harap niya guys. Ayan. So, ayan. Dito na ang pila ngayon. Ang haba ng pila guys. Ayan o. Ang pila guys ay dito. Ng pila guys, so magpila tayo. Ayan. Andito Galion, Andalusia. Ang mga t-shirt pabenta nila. Ayan, Galion, Andalusia. Ayan. Ito pala yung mga opening niya. Ito yung opening niya guys. Yeah. Tomorrow it's open 9 to 1 p.m. Low tide at the minute, that's why.
Yeah, but no, sorry. We are now closed. So we don't allow to sell tickets.
Okay,
so you must wait to the opening time.
Yeah.
If you want to reserve it, but it's not necessary.
So I can't buy tickets today for tomorrow. Okay, thanks guys.
Okay,
Have a
thank you
good
very much.
evening.
Yes. Yeah, this one guys. Ito yung kanilang kwan. Oh. Ayan siya.
¿Quieres que te traiga chocolate?
May book din. El Galion.
Sí, 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 claro.
No.
¿Por qué?
Porque José Miña va a buscar.
Oh,
Ayan. Ito ang loob niya guys. Oh.
yo te lo doy y luego lo haces con lo que quieras.
May compass din sila pabili. So ito yung sa loob guys.
El
Ayan.
vicio, esto es el vicio.
Gracias. Ah?
Ayan.
Merci.
Are you driving now?
No.
Yes. Alright guys, yan. Galion, Andalusia. Maganda oh. Alright, yan guys. Pabalik lang tayo mamaya guys. Mga 6 o'clock. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Ito siya guys. Ayan. Diba? Galion, Andalusia. Ayan siya guys. Ayan guys. It's nice. Parang napapalibutan ng mga tali-tali. Ano kayang made of boat to? Made of wood? Ano ba yan? Puntahan natin yan mamaya. Pasukan natin. Alright. Alright guys. So ngayon, bibili tayo ng ticket. Grabe ang pila dito guys. Okay. So dito, bibili tayo muna ng ticket guys. 12 pounds ang ticket. Ayan. Pasok tayo dito sa may Galion, Andalusia. Guys.
Yep. Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Hello.
Ayan, dito na tayo guys. Kabili na tayo ng ticket. Tignan nyo guys. Oh. Yan, may cup pa guys. Antique, di ba?
Are you sure? It's just one ticket.
Thank you. Alright guys, so yan, dito tayo. Dito na tayo guys. Ayan guys.
It's so weird looking at it.
Look at that. Look at that guys. Ayan. Made of wood pala to guys. Ayan oh. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Pasok tayo sa loob. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Ayan. Oh guys oh. Ayan. Tingnan natin dito kung ano yan. Ang ganda naman. Ayan. Galleon Andalusia. Ayan. Meron dito. Paano nakapunta rito? May engine man pala to. Hindi pwedeng walang engine ito. Paano makarating ng Ilugman kung walang engine? Mayroon engine. Ayan. Ngayon, dito tayo sa hagdan niya. Mayroon hagdan, guys. Oh. Galing dito sa taas. Pababa. Ito, guys. So, oh, galleon. Right. Okay, guys. Dito na tayo. Papasok na tayo, guys. Oh. Diba? Oh. Uy! Mahangin, guys. Mahangin, ha? Mag-uyog-uyog man. Para mangikuan. Pauyog-uyog ba? Wow. Right. Hello. You're right. Yan. Dito tayo guys. So. I'm vlogging. You're right.
Hi, Captain. Oh, hello, the Captain.
Dito tayo. Oh, meron pang dyan oh, underground. Pasukan natin yan, oh. Marang mga tali-tali dito guys, oh. Oh. Yan, pasok tayo dito guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan guys, oh. Oh. Dito tayo sa loob. Ikot-ikot tayo dito. Oh, yan. Oh, di ba? Oh. Ayan guys. Ayan, dito tayo. Anong mayroon dito? Ayan guys, oh. Oh, alright. Ayan. Ayan. Ito puro mga rope, puro mga tali dito guys, oh. Tali-tali, oh. Matitibay na mga tali guys. Ano to? Ayan. Itong mga muton nila guys, oh. Ito ang mga muton nila, oh. Muton man tawag nito. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos dito. Ito yung angkla niya. Oh. Laki. Oh, ito. Ayan. Tapos ito. Ito, bababa yung layag niya siguro to. Ayan. Oh, dito tayo. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin dito guys. Oh. Ah, ito yung kanyang laki guys. Ano eh? Yan guys, paakyat siya doon. Climb up doon. Yan. Yan guys, oh. Ayan. Ayan. Alright guys.
Right here, Charles.
Ayan. Wow, ganda. Amazing guys. Ayan oh.
Wow.
Oh. Ayan oh. Puro mga roof guys. Ito, grabe ito. Ito yun. Bababa pala yan. Pero may engine ito. Hindi pwedeng walang engine to. Paano to nakarating ng Isle of Man? Tingnan natin dyan sa baba. May mga electrical siya eh.
Follow mommy.
Hmm.
You're gonna stand here. Let me take a picture here.
Dito.
One more shot.
Dito guys. What is this? Oh, grabe mga moton.
Stand here.
Grabe ang hangin, lakas. Pero tignan mo naman dito guys. Oh. Doon sa tuktok guys. Oh. Kita nyo doon? Sa tuktok. Ayan o. Grabe yung layag niya. Ulan na guys. Yahoo! Panalo to, panalo. Saan ang kapten? Hanapin natin ang kapitan.
Yeah, stand there.
Hindi ba makita yung mga kapitan dito? Ayan dyan guys, oh. Ikot tayo dito sa kabila. Ayan, oh. Oh. Ayan.
So walk down nicely.
Ayan. Very nice. Wow, wow, wow. Ito tayo guys. Baba tayo dito. Ayan.
Oh.
Dito. Pasok tayo dito. Kabila. Entrada. Entrance.
Go down. Come off and then go down.
Kaya muna tayo dito sa taas.
Okay.
Busy man dyan.
Right there. Very. Oh, we can go inside. You know that.
Oh, Mr. Race. Wow,
Near the
you
camera.
definitely.
Andalusia. Nandito guys.
Yeah. Next to you. Turn around. I can see.
Ano naman dito? Hindi. Akyat tayo dito sa taas guys. Nice. Nice guys. Oo.
Here.
Diba? Wow. Wow.
Oh, I
Oh.
love it.
Akyat tayo guys. Dito tayo sa taas. Yan, dito ang kanyang moton. Supper. Ayan o. Ito ang kanyang ano.
This way, darling.
Ito ang kanyang manabila. Manabila. Ito yung kanya oh. Pop dip. Pop dick. Palagay dito. Pop dick. Highest dick with the ito yung highest dick niya pala. Taas. Ito yung pop dick.
Oh, I want to try it. Look at them slide. They're so awesome.
Pwede tayo diyan. Dito siya maneuver.
Yeah. I wonder if there's
Pop
a
dick.
shop.
Ayan guys. Ayan o. Daming tao. Sorry. Sorry. Sige sir. Ayan guys oh. Wow. Okay. Ito yung kanya. Dito siya gamit kung mag-maneuver siya. May mga kalo din. Helmet. Ayan. Hindi na tayo pwede mag-akit doon.
All the cities we've visited, or many of the cities, and on the table in many, you'll see the one from Douglas that he was supposed to have. I know we have one in Newport.
Dito tayo. Baba tayo dito. Pasukan natin doon sa baba. Pero may engine siya guys. Hindi pwedeng walang engine. May engine siya. May engine siya. Yan. Kasi guys, grabe guys. Dito, laki oh. Hanggang doon oh. Pero yung layag niya guys yan. May baba yan. Tapos meron pa doon. 1, 2, 3. 4. Yung layag. So dito tayo. Para makikita natin ang kung anong meron dito. Tignan natin dito. Ang sulat niya kasi guys, Espanyol. Hindi mabasa. Ayan o. Espanyol kasi yung sulat. Espanyol. Ito. So guys. Ang daming mga kwan dito guys.
This isn't that one. This is actually
Ano to guys? Nandyan. Hanapin natin ang captain.
There you go. Douglas Harbour. See why the noble people would be happy.
Noble people. Oh, dito. May lamisa sila dito guys. Oh. Noble people. Makita mo dito. Dito ang kanya. Parang lounge. Noble people. Wow. It's nice. Very nice guys. Yan. Yan. Dito guys. Ito. Restricted area. Itong tulugan siya. Marinulo pa siya guys. Oh. Kinaraan. Ito. Maritime Galleon Andalusia. Hello? Gising. Alright. Dito tayo. Baba tayo. Babaan natin. Tingnan natin yung kwan. No pasar. Sabi niya, no pasar, no entry siguro. No pasar, no pasar. So, dito tayo guys. Baba tayo dito. Okay. Yan oh. Sabi niya, entrance, entrada. Yan lang ang alam ko, entrada, entrance. Oh, wow. Ito na ang ilalim guys. Oh, may canyon dun siya guys. Kung may magloko-loko sa kanila, mayroon din siya panlaban. Ang dami, oh. Ito, oh. Ito. 4, 5. Magkabilaan pala. Guys, oh. Hindi rin pala ito basta-basta. Diba? Ayan, oh. Oh. Guys, oh. Hygiene. Oh, diba? Ito guys. Ano? Parang bongbong ba? Grabe mga roof niya guys. Oh. Mga tali, ang dami, ang lalaki. Ano to? Yan. Yan guys ah. Yan oh. Oh. Diba? Madilim dito ngayon guys, pero hindi ko alam kung okay ba ang quality ng ating camera. Pero dito madilim. Pero tingnan natin pa outcome pag tapos nito. Ito, meron dito Atlantic Ocean, South America. Ito yung map niya dito. Hindi ko pa naabot yung kapitan. Saan ba yung kapitan? No trespassing, sabi niya. No trespassing. Kung kalokohan, no trespassing. Kung dalawa kayo, pwede. Kung tatlo kayo, hindi pwede. Kalokohan lang yun. Silipin natin dito. Anong meron dito? Wow. Wow, ano yan? Madilim dito guys ha. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong outcome niyang kuha natin, camera. Dito guys oh. May mga golden siya dyan oh. Ayan oh. Wow. Ayan. Ayan guys. Natin guys oh. Dito guys oh. Ayan. Shout out. Tingnan nyo guys, nakababa na yung layag niya. Ayan. Raket pa yung mga kondo, no? Diba? Dito. May time kayo magbasa guys. Madilim eh. Ito, pagkain. Dito, lamisa. Okay, nakahang lang ang lamisa niya. Diba? Yan. Made of wood pala to na barko. Wala man tayong makausap dito guys. Wala mang in charge dito. Ano to? Mga pagkain nila. Alright guys, so dito na tayo. Pababa naman tayo dito sa underground. Ayan, galing na tayo sa taas. Ito, pangalawang ground. Ito, pangatlo na. Pababa. Maximum capacity niya. 25% guys. Ang maximum person dito. Ayan guys, maximum capacity. 25. Kung abot makakaya ito ng 25%. Dito, mayroon pa dito. Matitibay ito na sako guys. Ito. Uy. Ano yan? 25% magkasya dito. Paano magkasya ang 25 dito? Siguro. Yan guys. Bagay. Dito sa baba. Pwede. Paabot ng 25. So dito paano matulog dito? Anong tulugan? 25%. Malaki din. No? So ito. Hold. Sabi niya, the ship holds. We usually full of food. Okay siya guys. Hi.
Yeah,
Yeah. Alright, okay. Ayan guys. Ayan. So 25 person lang ang capacity dun sa baba. Ayan guys. Ayan. Alright. Hindi natin nakita yung kwan. Hindi natin nakita ang kwan. Ang kapitan. Pero meron dito. Hello, are you the captain?
No,
No.
just one of the workers.
Ah, you are the one of the crew.
Yes.
All right, okay. It's good. This one. So there is an engine. This one or no?
Yes, it has
There's
two
an engine.
diesel engines.
Yeah. There's a 2 diesel engine.
Yes, two.
Okay, that's good. This. It's very nice. It's like made of wood, isn't it?
This is, the wood is called Iroka. It's an African hardwood.
Yeah.
And that's what most of the ship is built from.
All right. Okay.
Because it can hold up to a lot of, let's say, a lot of salt water
Yeah.
that a lot of woods can't.
Uh-huh.
You know, they dry out, crack, splinter.
Oh.
But the Iroka holds up much better because it's got its own internal oil.
Yeah. That's good. That one. That's good. So how long travel from Spain to here to the Alaman?
To go from Spain to here, I don't know.
Yeah, all right.
But from Spain to the Caribbean,
Yeah.
I have a number for that, and it's almost a month.
It's almost a month.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
27 days, I think.
27 days from Spain to Caribbean.
So just to go across from Spain across using the equator, all those hot desert winds, and
Yeah.
you know, as a driving force to go on across,
Uh-huh.
and you get into the Caribbean, and it'll be about a month.
A month. Right. Okay. It's quite long, isn't it? It's like
It's a long time to be aboard a vessel like this
Yeah.
with 150 people
150 people. It's going this ship.
on this ship.
In the ship. Wow. It's quite big, isn't it?
It's going
Quite.
to feel really small.
Yeah, it's quite a few people going in. Yeah, that's good, that one. Yeah. What's your name, by the way?
Dan.
Den. Yeah. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So when you're going away, go back to Spain. Is
The
that
captain had said maybe tomorrow, so we don't know exactly. The
Yeah.
captain gives us, he tells us what we're going to do when.
Yeah.
So,
So the captain is not here at the minute.
yeah, the captain is right upstairs right now.
Upstairs.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't see them. I need to go there. I need to meet him as well.
I
Yeah.
don't think he'll introduce himself.
All right. Okay. Yeah. By the way, I got a blog, so I include you in my blog. Is that all right?
Well, here on the ship, it's a busy place to be.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
You're
Yeah.
welcome.
Ayan guys. Lorid guys, so dito tayo. Akit tayo dito guys. Hello. Kumusta? Kumusta? Oo.
Sino kasama mo?
Wala, ako lang. Dito tayo guys. Antay tayo. Dito tayo guys. Grabe. Dalawa pa lang engine nito guys. 2 engine diesel. Ayan. 1 month daw ang travel from Spain to Caribbean. Ang laki guys. Right guys, so yan, mag-exit na tayo guys. Tapos naman. Ngayon na guys, mag-exit na tayo. Tapos na. So, napasyalan na natin lahat dito. Thank you mate. Thank you very much. Woohoo! Ayan guys. Ayan na. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan guys siya. Wow. Laki. Ayan siya guys. Guys, yan. Maganda siya guys. Ayan po. Maraming salamat. Alright guys, yan oh. Hindi ko makita. Ayan. Alright guys, ito na siya guys oh. Wow. Nice. Ayan siya. Maganda siya guys. Ayan siya guys. Galleon Andalusia.
I see a mermaid. Where is it? There.
Galleon Andalusia.
It's
Alright
opening
guys,
that
sana
sea.
nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video
And
ngayon.
I see a
Maraming
whale
salamat.
inside. Wow.
Alright guys, so yan, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Hanggang dito na lang. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye!